In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP Deskjet 4122e printer. So first we will switch on the printer. Once your printer is on, open the front chamber and the ink chamber is here, so you just have to open this section. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Now we will replace these ink cartridges. Take out the old ink cartridges. So press the ink cartridge down and take it out. Just for both ink cartridge. Now take your new ink cartridge. Place color on the color side. Slide it in and push it in. It will make you lock sound. Now close this door. Go to the printer panel and see if everything is okay. So we have successfully installed the ink cartridges. If your printer prints a alignment page, you can just scan it. And now we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.